Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our second part of application video, where we stopped here in the previous video. In the first part, we talked about embedded system engineering in University of Freiburg. So in the first part, we got to know that requirements. We got to know that most of the requirement analysis are matching with that website, and we also got to know the application is started from November 1st and it will be ending till December 15th. So you have one and a half month. That's it. So you have maximum 1 month from now. After I release this video, from tomorrow, like Wednesday, from tomorrow 12th, you will have around exactly 1 month to apply for this. So I suggest you guys to please check out this video, first part and second parts. Please apply as soon as possible, so that you will get an admission. Then if you're seeing me for the first time, don't know about me anything, then we in our channel we make videos about how to apply for university. Before that, we also make requirement analysis. In requirement analysis, we make videos on how to get the information about what are the German colleges, what are the German courses that you usually have in Germany, and what are the requirements that each German university requires, and what are the documents that you need to upload in order to get into admission. Then we also make an Excel sheet by keeping the college name, course name, and also the deadlines when the application is starting and when the application is ending. After all those things are done, then we will also make sure the application deadline is met. Then we start applying in that particular time. Then we make application video as I am doing now in the parts, and we will also show you how to apply step by step. So please make sure you watch this end till end. Then you will also get a complete understanding on how to apply. Then you will be in right step to get an admission if you have fulfilling every requirement. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. And if somebody is wondering how we got here, please check out our first part, because this is the second part and you have to check out our first part to check out how I created this account and where we came and how to come here. Now we'll start with start application. Once you click on start application, it will ask for you, do you need an email enable notification? Please click on yes, we need an enable application. But as of now, I will click on no, because I won't be submitting and I don't want them to send email every time. But yeah, that's the reason I am selected no. Then we have to click an add-on application. So once you clicked on add-on application, we have to select the degree. So the degree we are going to pursue or we want to pursue is Master of Science, and the major is our embedded system engineering. So inside embedded system engineering, you have selected Master of Science Embedded System Engineering with the semester that you're gonna study. So as I told you, if you are a person who are changing inside university already, then you have to select second semester, third semester based on your interest. Say example, inside the same college shifting, or doing the same course in different university. Say example, University of Stuttgart, and doing embedded system, you did already 1 semester. For this second semester, this course you want to come, then you have to select second semester. But if you are a person who have finished bachelor and applying for the first time and you are still in India coming for the first time, then you have to select first subject related semester. Then type of admission with special prerequisite for an admission, that we know, and we are applying for summer semester, and we can click on next. Once you clicked on next, we have selected all mandatory details. Here you need to fill in your previous university studies. So please enter the status of your previous university education here: study course, university, college, study from, and till when you have studied. So I will fill in all details, then I will show you how to apply and what are the things you need to fill. So now I have filled all complete details about the application, so we will go through. At first, when we clicked, then we got to know the previous university studies we have to fill. So please enter the list of enter the stages of your previous university degree here. So you can click on I button if you don't know which thing to put here. People usually get confused, do you have to put the PUC or engineering? So usually they have only given which field did you study in bachelor degree, so you have to put information about bachelor degree. Okay, if you still get confusion, think like if you want to put second PUC or 12th standard, but in the please select a degree, you don't have an option for PUC or secondary school living certificate. So that's the reason you have to either fill bachelor or master degree that you have done in India. So that's the reason I have done electrical engineering course in VTU, Vishweshwaraya Technological University, studied for 4 years, 2016 to 2020, and it should be like this format. That's the reason I have used. And please select the degree, it is Bachelor of Engineering. You have to choose from here. If your degree is not listed here, then you can also click on other degree. After filling all these things, then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, here you just have to fill in your university degree qualifying for admission of this master program. So what is the university degree that you did in order to qualify for this master degree, which is your bachelor degree? Here you have to fill your bachelor degree once again, and there is no section in order to fill your secondary school or second PUC. You just have to upload the document. You can upload that in additional document. There is no section or a prescribed section in order to fill it. Okay. Then here your university qualifying degree, admission of master program. Have you finished it? Have you got the degree certificate? Then select degree has been completed and degree certificate is available. If you are a person who has a degree has been completed but waiting for the certificate, then you can select here. Then degree has not been completed also is an option. When you select degree is not yet completed, then you need to fill in the expected date of completion when you will be finishing, and you need to upload the progress certificate. And people who are selecting the second option, degree has completed but waiting for the degree certificate, then they have to at least upload the provisional degree certificate. And people who have both, then select the first one as me. Then please select the degree subject and study, which is Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical Engineering. That's the thing that I did. Then where I did it in VTU. Then country is India. Then grade, German grade, it is 1.7. Then if you don't know, then usually you can also enter 0, but you will be giving this many information to them. So once you give this many information, then you know how to calculate, because I have showed you so many times to go into TUM official grade converter tool and convert it. Then as I converted it, then I got 1.7 GPA, but the Indian CGPA I had was 8.8, and they will ask what is the highest possible marks and lowest possible marks that you can update. So highest CGPA you can get is 10, and the lowest CGPA you can get or you need to get in order to pass a degree is 5. That's the reason I have given 10 and 5. Then the total number of credits that we usually do in Bachelor of Engineering in VTU is 200. That's the reason I have given that. So these are the information I have given based on our college and our university, but for you it will be different. So please fill in whatever which is correct for you guys. Then certificate and final transcript of record. So please fill in bachelor certificate and transcript, because usually for VTU the bachelor certificate and transcript comes in a single PDF. You can put it everywhere. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you need to give the original degree certificate. So here you can also upload the same document, or you can also separate and give bachelor degree certificate. And here the main part is, if your degree certificate is not in English, then you need to translate and give. But most of the Indian colleges will submit their or give their bachelor certificate or most of the other certificate in English. So no need to worry. If not in English, then please translate it. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, you need to give the APA certificate. So you would have already got an APA certificate. Please fill that or upload that document in PDF format. Then you need to give in your English language proficiency. In order to apply for this particular course, we already did the requirement analysis. For this, you need to have C1 level of German or C1 level of English. That's the reason I have selected C1 level, and I have selected the normal famous test, which is IELTS, and test result is 7. Please give your IELTS certificate, which is not older than 2 years, which should be not expired. Okay. Then you can click on next. Once you clicked on next, if you have German language proficiency, then give here. If you don't have, then you can click on none, because for this particular course there is no German language proficiency required. That's the reason I have selected level none, and also I have selected none here, and I have not uploaded anything. But if you are a person who is applying for German thought course, then you need to upload your C1 or whatever the requirement that they are asking. But for this English language course, you don't need to have a German proficiency. That's the reason I have clicked on none. Then once you clicked on here is the documents and optional documents that you need to upload. You can upload. First thing, you need to upload your CV. Here, if you have studied in India, please enter the college name also that they are asking. So here you can mention your university college name. At first, we have already mentioned our VTU, which is Vishwesvaraya Technological University. That is my university. But I studied in Mysore with the college name of Vidyavadika College of Engineering. That's the reason you can give here. But if you don't wish to give a college name, then please take it out if it is confusing you. It doesn't harm you because it is not a mandatory field. Then you need to upload your curriculum vitae, which is your mandatory, which is your resume. Then in other documents, you can either upload recommendation letter, motivation letter, GRE, ranking certificate, everything. And here I checked, you cannot upload more documents, so you can only upload one document. So I suggest you do like me, you take all optional or other documents which you want to put, make a complete PDF like 20 page, who cares, but put it in other document as a whole one PDF. Okay. Then how did you hear, or these are the normal questions that they usually ask. Where did you hear, how do you get know about this university, this course, and other things. I, being honest, I took our website, then we have also accepted whether the information that we have given here is correct and legible. Then once you clicked on next, the application is done. So you will be at the overview page where you can already check again if the information that you have filled is correct or not. Once you think that everything what you have filled is correct, by checking your previous university studies, what are the basic university you have done in order to apply for masters, which is your Bachelor of Engineering and Bachelor Certificate, Bachelor Certificate and transcripts, APS document, your English language, German language, CV, and other things. After clicking everything, then you can click on I humbly confirm, then you can submit the application. Once you click on submit, then you can either withdraw or you have to wait for the results. So if you get an admission or not. That's the thing I just wanted to mention you guys in this today's video, where I showed you how to apply for University of Freiburg for Embedded System Engineering. I think I helped you a lot by showing you how to apply for this particular course and college. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.